there! Today, I'm gonna demonstrate how to make a fabric ball. So let's take your materials. The first thing we're gonna do is lay the cotton batting and solid fabric right side up. Next, you want to lay the printed fabric wrong side up. So now stitch along the line except the opening. Snip those corners and trim the excess. Next, what you want to do is turn it right side out. Now we're gonna close the opening with leather stitch. Our next step is mark them with a little dot and fold them to stick some pins. Now stitch on their marks. Let's turn it right side out. Now we're gonna push and flip it over like this. And then some pinning. After all your corners are finished, you want to get some buttons and attach them. Why don't you make your own fabric ball in different sizes? Give it a go, and thank you for joining me. See you next time. Bye!